Over the next two videos, we're going to walk you through the steps to make a dub delay. We're going to start with our simple delay we made in our first video series. Start by dragging a max audio effect into a live audio channel. Open your previously made simple delay max for live device in edit mode and select all by dragging over everything with your mouse and copy it using the contextual menu. Navigate to our new blank max for live audio effect and open it in edit mode. Select and delete the default plug-in and plug-out objects. From the contextual menu, select Paste to place our simple delay into the new device. Type N for a new object and type *tilde to get a new audio multiply object. Connect the outlet of tap out to the left inlet of multiply. Now connect the outlet of multiply to the inlet of tap in. Type L to get a new live.dial. Change the range of the dial in the inspector to 0.1 and change the unit type to float. Change the name to feedback. Connect the dial to the right inlet of the multiply object. This will control our feedback amount. Now let's add a filter to our feedback line. Find your SV filter device that we made in our first series and drag that into a new audio track. Open the SV filter device in edit mode and copy the filter section that includes the SVF object, the selector object, and the two live.dials and the live.tab section. Open your dub delay in edit mode and paste the SV filter section into the patch. Disconnect the patch cord from the inlet of the multiply object and connect it to the inlet of the SVF object. Now connect a patch cord from the selector outlet to the inlet of the multiply object. Now that we have a filter in our device that adds some resonance in combination with the feedback, there is a good chance of blowing out the audio. We're going to type N for a new object and type omx.peaklim tilde to get the limiter object. Remove the patch cord from the outlet of the tap out object and join two patch cords to the outlets of the omx.peaklim object. Now join two patch cords from the outlet of the tap out object to the inlets of the omx.peaklim. This will allow us to control the signal amplitude on the wet channel. Select the two live.gain objects, the live.menu, and the two live.dials and add to presentation. In the patch inspector, set it to open in presentation. Change to presentation mode and move your UI objects to a location you would like to see them in live. We now have a dub delay with feedback and a filter section. Have fun and watch that feedback amount.